Bringing top quality into every home for a lifetime is the mission that we diligently pursue. We provide people with well-being and the best possible living experience. When making and installing windows and doors, the quality of the hardware is crucial for ensuring long-term functionality. At ARX Measurings Lab, semi-finished products are regularly tested to ensure consistency with the technical drawings. Technologically advanced production increases both hardware quality and employee productivity. The ARX Lifetime Warranty, ARX Surface Protection, and all our certificates show our tireless dedication to verifiable quality standards for processes and products alike. Our solutions ensure the highest level of security, comprehensive well-being, and a simply superb experience. ARX, the hardware.